were nests in this tree here. They're all gone now. I'll show you there were nests here. Look, come here. Look here. Look. That's all former droppings from that tree there. You got the marks of where there were nests here. You know, there's nests in all those trees there, you know, and there was nests here too. Yeah, there's nests in Oh, he said you can do it if the nest is empty? Yeah, I said. You could cut, but who determines whether the nests are occupied? What, you go up and look and see?
Yeah, he's going up.
And suppose, how does he know the birds just didn't fly away someplace? Huh? He doesn't know. He doesn't know, does he? No. So you're the guys who make the determination, right? Huh? You're the guys who decide if the nest is occupied or not, right? You guys decide, right?
No, we check.
Yeah, you check, you look, but you're the ones who look and see, right?
Yeah.
And how do you know the birds haven't flown off someplace and come back later? No, you don't know. Okay, thanks a lot. But you tell Mr. Eric that we're going to get him. We're going to get him.
What's your name?
We're going to get him. There'll be a $25,000 fine when we're done.